Today I'm going to bring you a really interesting update from a veteran trader I follow and subscribe to called Larry Benedict. He's giving his views on the market ahead as we go through 2026, but the most eye-opening views he gave was on the price of gold and silver, and he's expecting basically the price of gold and silver to potentially go through the floor at some point this year. And if it goes through the floor, there's potentially lots of money to be made for the savvy investor. So that is really the headline for me. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to sort of read you this. So Larry, this is a service I'd subscribe to called One Ticker Trader. And he does like an Ask Larry Anything, where members can basically ask questions, and he gives his thoughts on the week. Obviously, he's talking about Greenland here, which I'm not sort of too interested in, but I'm just trying to find, here we go, here's his thoughts on gold. So this, I'm going to read this. So he says, I don't think that will happen. So if that happens, he said, we're talking a lot on the podcast about precious metals. Larry's an expert precious metals and commodity trader. He trades options, by the way. And he says, in probably the biggest bubble that I've ever seen. Always reminds me of the GameStop scenario with retail public pumping up GameStop and AMC and just buying and buying and buying options. But ultimately, gold right now is set at $5,000 plus or minus 30 points, and silver cracked 100, which is the craziest thing I've ever seen. It's up pretty much 40% on the year after going up 300% last year. We believe you should buy put options there and sit on them, and we think you should be you're going to be rewarded in a massive way. So basically, Larry is basically saying, gold and silver are basically heavily overbought. And basically, retail investors, the average investor is pumping money into gold and silver, which is pumping up the price. So basically, it's in a bubble that is waiting to pop. And seeing Larry as an options trader, he's basically thinking of putting put options on sort of gold ETFs and silver ETFs and just waiting for those prices to crash. Because if you don't know, with buying calls and buying puts, you can profit whether a share goes up or down. So buying put options, you're betting on the price of a share going down, i.e. gold or silver. So if it crashes, you could potentially make a big windfall. But he's got a warning, the frenzy is still going on, so you have to be a bit careful. That being said, here we sit. S&P freaked out on Tuesday and made it all back today. So we're back to where we were before. The culprits are back in the market, manipulating the Dow down 205, S&P up 15 candles, and NASDAQ up even more. So basically the market's incredibly chaotic and volatile. And I mean, that's going to continue through the year, or Larry expects that. So this is where we sit. I think there'll be some really good trading coming up, but I think you kind of have to be a bit patient. And that's the way we're going to remain. Bonds got up 4.3% on yield, and that not a lot is happening, back down to about 4.23%. So basically, yeah, I think the real standout is, gold and silver price to watch. But basically, yeah, Larry's basically expecting at some point this year gold and silver to pretty much maybe even crash. He said silver could lose up to 50%. So what I'm going to be, So Larry thinks, I'm just going to finish by saying I think it's going to be a bit choppy. I don't think that the algos are going to have control of trading. I heard from a couple of people that this one was one of the worst months for algorithmic trading. So we'll chat out in a couple of months. But I think the choppy action is sort of hurting people. So that's really where we sit for a market recap. So choppy market. Larry's expecting gold and silver to potentially make a big drop at some point this year. When, we don't know. Just to give you a bit of info, Larry is, like I said, an options trader. All of his trade, he's got about 80-85% win rate with his trade. So he's amazing. And he used to run $1 billion hedge fund back in the day. So this guy really, really knows his stuff. So when he says stuff, I listen. So he's also got another incredible prediction as well. I'm just sort of going down here. So I'm just looking for the gold. Yeah, there's a really interesting one here where basically Larry actually thinks, I can't find it, but Larry thinks OpenAI is really going to struggle this year and could crash. That is actually really, really interesting. Here we go. Isn't it about debt crisis? What do you think? Yeah, so here we go. So there's a question in. No one seems to care about sovereign debt crisis we're in. Why do you think that is? Because everyone loves a bull market, everything. And the retail public is somehow in control of the markets, in control of gold, we're in control of silver. I'm telling you, this is like the Bitcoin trade. If this gold and silver trade is going to end in tears, silver will be down 50% from where it's trading right now. There you go. Gold will be down about 30-40%, and the retail public is going to get whitewashed in these trades. They're buying recklessly at pretty much any price, so I see that. So that basically Larry is expecting gold and silver to crash at some point this year, and many retail investors are going to get wiped out, which could potentially cause chaos in the markets. I'm trying to find the thing about OpenAI. I mean, I was shocked to read that. Bear with me. Here we go. It says, do you think that SpaceX and big AI IPOs expected this year? Will the market top? I'm not sure if they're going to bring these deals this year so fast. So I do think when they start bringing these deals, it's going to be a problem. My biggest thing to look at is OpenAI. I actually think this year OpenAI is going to fail. I actually think they're going to have major problems and potentially go out of business. That's a big statement. That's how bad it is over there. He's promised everything and he's fulfilled nothing. And that's my big question mark for the year. Does OpenAI blow up? And we'll be keeping an eye on that very closely because I think that is so tied to this AI trade that it's pretty incredible. So that's really, really interesting because if OpenAI, I mean, he's not saying with 100% clarity OpenAI is going to go bust because no one can. But if OpenAI gets in trouble and does go out of business, that could have huge implications for AI stocks. So that's another thing to look out for. So there we go. I just wanted to bring this update for you because I think it's really, really important, especially for you, an investor and, a trader. So the big things. Larry is expecting silver to potentially crash up to 50% at some point this year, and gold maybe 30-40%. That is the headline. And the other headline is he thinks that OpenAI is in trouble and could potentially go out of business. If that is the case, that is going to pop the AI bubble potentially because OpenAI goes out of business. They're a huge company that could spook investors and they could be pulling money out of the AI stocks like nothing. Obviously, if that happens, you can buy in at dirt cheap, but yeah, it's going to be one to watch. Anyway, that's what I've got for you. If you want to join Larry's service and get his monthly trades, because I think there's going to be a lot of really interesting trades on gold and silver this year and oil, to name just a few. So if you want to get those trades when they come out, his monthly trades, like I say, he's at an 85% win streak with his trades. I'll leave a link in the comment description below where you can join for over 90% off and just join for $19, which locks your membership in for a year and you get 30-day money back guarantees. If you don't like it, you can cancel. So if you want to join this service, it's absolutely brilliant. You'll stay ahead of the markets. Highly recommend it. Plus, you get awesome trades so you can profit off all of the chaos this year. So if you want to join, link in the comment description below. That's what I've got for you. Thanks for joining me and I'll speak to you soon.